We are very proud to have Philips as a customer for over 20 years. And what is interesting in this case is that Philips is very much SAP oriented. And for over 20 years, there are over 8 production locations worldwide in which USoft is applied to automate very specific parts of production process, which inherently don't fit with SAP. And in addition to that, we are proud that we are already for some time working with ASML to support them in a very specific part of business requirements process for the design and manufacturing of new chip machines. Another interesting customer is VB-Airsuspension, a specialist in suspension technology. And what is interesting with this customer is that they use Microsoft Dynamics, and we are providing a specific solution on top of Dynamics to better facilitate their sales team to help in customer quotes and lead time calculations. And a perfect example in where we extend an existing ERP system to differentiate towards, in this case, a sales team.